Hi guys, it's me, Akinmade, here on the Asian channel, and today we're going to show you how to add fractions with a couple of examples. Now let's see the first one. This example is 1 over 5 plus 3 over 5. Now, first thing we have to do is add the numerators. These things on the top of the line are called numerators. Okay, and we have to add them. 1 plus 3 equals 4. And keep the denominators the same. These here are called denominators. Okay, so we leave them the same, and which means our answer is 4 over 5. Because 1 plus 3 is 4, and 5 and 5. We leave them the same to get 5. So the answer is 4 over 5. Let's see another example. Now, the next example is 5 over 7 minus 3 over 7. So, it's nearly the same as our last example, except we have to subtract them this time. 5 minus 3 equals 2, and we leave the denominators the same, which means it's 7. So, it's 2 over 7. Now this example is going to be a bit tricky. 1/2 plus 1/4. Now, actually, these don't have the same denominator. You might think, huh? You can only add them with the same denominator. Well, actually, that's not true. You can also add them to the denominator because you can convert them into with denominators the same. So, you can turn 1/2 into 2/4, and it's got the same denominator. So, if we add 2/4 and 1/4, you get 3/4. So that's our answer. 1/2 plus 1/4 equals 3/4. Now let's see the fourth example. 2 over 5 minus 1 over 5 plus 3 over 5. So this time we have to subtract these two first. So let's do it before. So 2 over 5 minus 1 over 5 is 1 over 5. So now we have to add that. 1 over 5 and 3 over 5. It's 4 over 5. So the answer of 2 over 5 minus 1 over 5 plus 3 over 5 equals 4 over 5. For this last example, 1/2 plus 1/4 plus another 4th. So, actually, we should simplify this guy to 2/4. Now our problem will look like this. Okay, so now we can add these two. And 2/4 plus 1/4 equals 3/4. So now we have to add it with 1/4, and we get 4/4. or one hole? So, the answer is one hole. And that's all for today. See you on the next one. Oh, and don't forget, I had a haircut.